These are NTPC interview questions from past experiences which are available on Quora, Facebook, YouTube, and anywhere other platforms. First question: on which cycle power plant works? Rankine cycle, widely used by coal-fired power plants and nuclear reactors. Brayton cycle and combined cycle are also used. Draw Rankine cycle on TS and explain its process. Boy, in boil a 1 to 2 turbine, this is where work is produced. W dot turbine 1 to 2, steam expands, then passed to a condenser which will be which steam where steam will be converted into water, then passes through pump, then it will pass through boiler 4 to 1 where heat is supplied, water converts into steam. In on TS diagram 1 to 2 W turbine, this is 1 to 2 W turbine normal Rankine cycle, 2 to 3 is condenser, 3 to 4 pump, 4 to 1 isobaric heat addition, 3 to 2 isobaric heat reduction, 3 to 4 pump isentropic compression, 1 to 2 isentropic expansion. If reheat is provided, 1 prime 2 prime will be the line W turbine. On PV on HS diagram, 1 to 2 is isentropic, as it is without reheat. 1 to 2 will be here, and 3 4 to 3 will be here isentropic. These are constant pressure lines where heat is added and heat is removed. Constant pressure lines on HS diagram will be like this. On P on on PV diagram on PV diagram, 1 to 2 will be like this. PV power gamma, as it is isentropic, PV power gamma 1 to 2 will be like this. Pressure decreases in turbine. Then as 2 to 3 and 4 to 1 are isobaric, they will be straight lines. From 3 to 4, it will be a straight line because as it is liquid, volume will not change. 3 to 4 volume will be constant. So these are TS diagram, HS diagram, and PV diagram for Rankine cycle. What is thermal efficiency? How you calculate in this cycle? Thermal efficiency is equal to W net by Q input is equal to WT minus WP by Q in. Efficiency is equal to H1 minus H2 minus H4 minus H3 by H1 minus H4. What is entropy? Can it be negative? Entropy is degree of disorderedness in a system. Entropy change can be negative, but entropy cannot be negative. This is because in macroscopic status, entropy S is defined is equal to Kb ln of gamma. So ln of something cannot be negative. So S cannot be negative, but change in entropy can be negative. Difference between VCRS and Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle we already saw above in all diagram, all graphs, and schematic diagram also. So let's see VCRS vapor compression refrigeration system. 1 to 2 is 1 to 2 passes through compressor where work is provided. 2 to 3 condenser, heat is rejected. 3 to 4 throttle valve expansion valve. 4 to 1 evaporator QE, heat is observed. This is the desired effect here. TS diagram 1 to 2 I 1 to 2 isentropic compression, 2 to 3 constant pressure heat addition, 3 to 4 as it is throttling, H3 is equal to H4, and 4 to 1 4 to 1 evaporator isobaric and constant temperature, 4 to 1 QE, isobaric heat addition. Again in pH diagram, 1 to 2 will be like this. 1 will be at saturated vapor state, 2 2 to 3 isobaric, so 2 to 3 will be like this. 4 3 to 4 as H3 is equal to 4 H4, it is a straight line. 4 to 1 as it is isobaric, it will be like this. VCRS is similar to reverse of Rankine cycle, but turbine is replaced by throttle valve here. Throttle valve here. Where VCRS is used. VCRS is used in domestic and commercial refrigerator, also used in air conditioning of buildings and automobiles. Explain Boyle's law, Charles' law, and its practical application. Boyle's law: if temperature and amount of gas remain unchanged, then P is inversely proportional to V. As P pressure increases, volume decreases. PV is equal to constant. Charles' law. Pressure and amount of gas constant, V directly proportional to T. As volume increases, temperature also increases. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Avogadro's law: V directly proportional to N. N is number of moles. Ideal gas law: PV is equal to nRT. R universal gas constant is equal to 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole Kelvin or joule per mole Kelvin. Gay-Lussac's law: P directly proportional to T at constant volume and number of moles, amount of gas. Working principle of pressure cooker. Pressure cooker works based on principle that boiling point of water increases with increase in pressure. Pressure cooker is made of heavy gauge aluminum or stainless steel, and uh, both pressure releasing weight or pressure releasing vent and safety vent are closed. The volume stays constant, but pressure rises due to heating. An ordinary pressure cooker in Indian household generate around 2.01 bar absolute or 1 bar gauge pressure, corresponding water saturation temperature of 121 degrees centigrade, which is higher than 100 degrees centigrade, which leads to faster cooking. Also, pressure helps better penetration of heat into the food. When pressure reaches the limit, the whistle rises to release the excess pressure. Parts of automobile has several number of parts. Four essential components of automobile: chassis. It is a combination of all major assemblies like engine, transmission system, and control system. Engine, next engine multi-cylinder, consists of it may be multi-cylinder. It has a system of coolant and lubrication along with it. Transmission system: clutch engages or disengages power transmission from driving shaft to driven shaft. Gearbox: use it to change speed or torque of the vehicle. Differential: variation of speed of inner wheel and outer wheel. Axle: wheels are connected at two ends by axle. And another part to body, another one control system, steering system, braking system or brakes, and other auxiliaries. What is differential and how it works? A differential system allows both wheels to rotate at different speeds whenever it is required. One input, two outputs. Differential permits outer wheel to travel faster than inner wheel, because if we draw a circle, we outer one travels more or should travel more distance. So which means outer wheel should travel at more speed than inner wheel. So which is maintained by differential. Whether train have a differential or not? No, the train does not have differential. Train, how a train takes turn without differential, and how what is the limitation of that technique? For this, there is video explained by S.K. Mandal. Train wheels will be conical in shape. Tra- when train passes, like when there is turn, Uh, as clearly explained, train wheels are conical due to centrifugal force. A larger diameter will be on track for outer wheel, and smaller dia will be track on inner wheel. By that we can make a turn. Limitation with this process is curvature should be long to turn the train as differential is absent. Sharp turns are not possible. Nearest plant to your hometown. Do you know about that plant? Nearest plant to my hometown is by NTPC near Simhadri, which is Simhadri Super Thermal Power Plant, located in outskirts of Visakhapatnam. It is coal-fired and capacity is around 2000 megawatt. By another one by APGPC, AP Gas Power Corporation, Vijayaswaram on Godavari River, which has capacity of 172 megawatt. Suppose today you are hired and you have to handle some manpower in a plant, and those are not working, and they have mentality that no one can do anything against them. Since they are government employees, how would you tackle them? First, I will try to motivate them. Explain how government or company will be able to pay our salary only if they can make profit, by citing the example of BSNL where people are not getting salary as company went into losses. If they still resist to do work, then I will inform the authority above me, ask his or her advice, and will get to know the actions that I can take and under present situation and act upon that. Why NTPC? Why do you want to join NTPC? NTPC play a very important role in building our nation. NTPC is India's largest power utility with an installed capacity of 62,910 megawatt. Plans to become 130 gigawatt company by 2032. From fossil fuels, it has entered into generating electricity via hydro, nuclear, and renewable energy source. The company has diversified into fields of consultancy, power trading, training of professionals, rural electrification, ash utilization, and coal mining as well. Projects and operations of NTPC are typically of very large scale. So working with NTPC will expose me to such large projects. Also, by working with NTPC, I will be directly contributing to national building activity. And if you want to speak anything, speak based on their response. Why are we going for non-conventional energy sources of energy like solar? As energy consumption is increasing, fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas reserves are depleting day by day. So we are moving towards non-conventional sources of energy like solar, wind energy, which are renewable. And environmental impact is also a factor to move towards non-conventional source of energy. Define one unit of electrical energy. The basic unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour, represented by kWh. One unit of electrical energy is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. In simple terms, 1 kilowatt hour is amount of energy used by 1 kilowatt, that is 1000-watt electric heater for 1 hour. Another example is 10 100-watt light bulbs used for 1 hour. At what temperature steam turbine run? Steam turbine run at temperatures between 500 to 650, 500 and 650 degrees centigrade. At what temperature gas turbine runs? Gas turbine run at temperatures up to 1500 degrees centigrade. Why steam turbine run at temperature lower than gas turbine? Gas turbine run at a much higher temperature than a steam turbine, because in steam turbine only steam will be working fluid, but in gas turbine hot combustion gases directly rotate the blades. What type of manometric fluid will be used to measure pressure difference between 2 points in water flowing? Manometric fluid generally used is mercury because of its high density and low vapor pressure. Density is 13.6 gram per centimeter cube or 13600 kg per meter cube. Manometric fluid should have following properties: high density so that rise will be within the limit for high pressure measurement; low viscosity because high viscosity will slow down or sensitivity or response; low vapor pressure to avoid cavitation; high boiling point and low freezing point so that it should not boil or freeze at room temperature; low surface tension, chemically inert distinct interface. What are various flow measuring devices? Main difference between venturi meter and orifice meter. Flow measuring devices are venturi meter, nozzle meter, orifice meter. Venturi meter is has a converging and diverging nozzle. Length of diverging nozzle will be more. Pressure difference in terms of length is x. CD will be 0.95 to 0.99. Losses are low, but cost is high. Nozzle meter. Here P1, P2, here nozzle. CD is 0.9 to 0.95. Losses are medium. Cost is also medium. Orifice meter, there will be a orifice plate which has a small hole. CD is 0.6 to 0.65. Losses high, cost low. Here flow suppression will be there. These three working principle is same, which is Bernoulli, based on Bernoulli equation. Q is equal to CD A1 A2 by root of A1 square minus A2 square into root 2GH. H is equal to X into rho M by rho minus 1. Draw Ts and pH curve of pressure cooker. There is no official source for drawing official source for pressure cooker Ts and pH diagram, but as room temperature is around 30 degrees and pressure is 1 bar, along 1 bar it will increase from 30 degrees to 100 degrees in liquid state only, as pressure is constant from and it will remain in liquid state. From 100 degrees pressure will rise because steam is produced, and temperature will also keep on increasing till the limit pressure, which is 2 bar, is achieved. From there whistle will rise whenever temperature will go beyond limit, so there will be vibration along this straight line, and then it will go till here, only till saturation point here, then stops. This is a pressure cooker TS diagram on this is 120 degrees at 2 bar. pH diagram as 1 bar constant pressure P, it will keep on increasing till here H, as temperature is increasing. Then to 2 bar it will increase till 2 bar, then 2 bar constant pressure, it will be a straight line like this. Maybe there will be vibrations here too. Octane number, cetane number, both are ratings of fuel. Octane number used for gasoline for SI engines. Octane number of a fuel defined by percentage volume of isooctane in mixture of fuel containing isooctane and N-heptane, which will have same knocking tendency as that of sample fuel. Isooctane is 2 comma 2 comma 4 trimethyl pentane. Octane number is equal to 100, doesn't produce any knock. N-heptane 7 carbons in a line. Octane number is equal to 0, worst fuel. Cetane number is which is used for diesel for CA engine. Cetane number is defined as percentage by volume of cetane in a mixture of cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene, which will have same tendency of knocking as that of sample fuel. Cetane C16H34, cetane number is equal to 100. Alpha methyl naphthalene, 2 benzenes and 1 methyl alpha methyl naphthalene. Cn is equal to 0. Cn is equal to 60 minus On by 2. Cn, relation between Cn and On. Cn is equal to 60 minus On by 2. Piston ring manufacturing method and piston ring material. A piston ring is a expandable split ring used to provide a seal between piston and cylinder wall so that there is minimal loss of gases to crankcase. It regulates engine oil consumption by scraping oil from cylinder walls back to sump. Method of manufacturing: casting. If they asked in particular, then centrifugal casting. Material is cast iron or stainless steel. What is forced rot? In boiler, the combustion of fuel requires supply of sufficient quantity of air and removal of exhaust gases. This is achieved by pressure difference. The circulation of air is caused by difference in pressure, known as draught. Types of draught: natural draught is provided by action of chimney or stack and is used in small boilers. Its intensity depends upon average temperature difference between flue gas within chimney and outside air, and also height of chimney above the level of furnace grate. Next, mechanical or artificial draught. In mechanical draught system, the movement of air is due to action of fan. It may consist of induced draught or forced draught or both. In an induced draught system, blower is installed near base of chimney and burnt gases are sucked out of boiler, reducing pressure inside the boiler than atmospheric. This induces fresh air to enter into the furnace. In forced draught, the blower is installed near base of boiler. In this system, air pressure throughout the system is above atmospheric pressure, and air is forced to flow through the system. Forced draught means it is placed near the base of boiler. Induced draught means blower is placed near base of chimney. How do we measure temperature by radiative heat exchange? On what principle it is based? No, there is one more question. What is use of chimney? A chimney has two primary functions: to carry undesirable combustion smoke flue gases out of boiler, to provide the draught that feeds air to the fire to keep it burning. The draft of chimney comes from rising of hot air. Chimney also helps in reducing air pollution as it delivers products of combustion and fly ash to high altitude above inversion layer. Inversion layer means temperature inversion layer. There will be a point where above temperature decreases as altitude increases, below temperature increases as altitude increases. This is the reason why in winter traps all pollutants down only. How do we measure temperature by radiative heat exchange? On what principle is it based? Pyrometer, also known as infrared thermometer or radial thermometer or non-contact type thermometer, used to detect temperature of an object's surface temperature, which depends on radiation, infrared or visible, emitted from the object. Pyrometers act as photodetector because of the property of absorbing energy and measuring electromagnetic wave intensity at any wavelength, used to measure high temperature furnaces. Measures temperature accurately, precisely, purely visually, and quickly. There is a hot body from which radiative waves are there, which passes through lens and gets focused on a black body, which is temperature detector. Then it will be connected to measuring instrument. Basic principle: it measures object's temperature by sensing heat or radiation emitted from the object without making any contact with the object. Basic components: optical system and detectors. Have you ever visited power plant? Plant which I visited is Madras Atomic Power Plant, MAPS, which is located near in Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. Capacity of that plant is around 440 megawatt. It has two units of each of 220 megawatt. Working of centrifugal compressor. uh, Gas or air enters eye of impeller. Air comes in contact with impeller. Impeller is a rotating component which is connected to motor through the shaft. Impeller imparts kinetic energy to the air. High kinetic energy air is pushed outward to the diffuser. The high Ke is converted to pressure energy with the help of diffuser. The high pressure air flows through the casing, finally discharged for required application. What is cavitation? Cavitation is the phenomenon in which when pressure falls below vapor pressure, PV vapor bubbles are formed rapidly. NPSH and net positive suction head is defined as difference between stagnation pressure head at inlet and vapor pressure head. NPSH is equal to P stagnation by rho g at inlet minus PV by rho g is equal to P by rho g plus V square by 2g at inlet minus PV by rho g. NPSH is equal to HA minus HS minus HV minus HFS. HA is atmospheric, HS is suction head, HV is vapor, FS is friction at suction head loss. Net positive suction head required. The minimum permissible NPSH R. The minimum permissible value of NPSH at which cavitation is just about to start. NPSH R is equal to HA minus HS max minus HV minus HFS. Thomas cavitation factor sigma is equal to NPSH by HM. Here HM is manometric head. Critical cavitation factor sigma C is equal to NPSH R by HM. To avoid cavitation, P min greater than PV, NPSH greater than NPSHR, sigma greater than sigma C. What is hydraulic coupling and why it is used? Fluid coupling or hydraulic coupling is a device used to transmit rotating mechanical power. It has three components: input turbine, output turbine, runner. Working principle: when input shaft rotate with higher speed, fluid contained in between assembled casing is transferred tangentially from input turbine to output turbine. Because of this change in momentum of fluid, it imparts torque on output turbine, and in this way it transmits power from input shaft to output shaft. It has been used in automobile transmissions as an alternative to mechanical clutch. It is also also has wide application in marine and industrial machine drives, where variable speed operation and controlled startup without shock loading of power transmission system is essential. What is knuckle joint? A knuckle joint is a mechanical joint used to connect two rods which are under tensile load. When there is a requirement of small amount of flexibility or angular movement is necessary. This is knuckle joint, one eye and two eye and knuckle pin taper. These are in tensile load where some rotation is allowed. What is saturation pressure? Pressure of vapor which is in equilibrium with its liquid is called saturation pressure. When liquid is there in a container and pressure is measured, when evaporation rate is equal to condensation rate, the total number of molecules above liquid surface are constant. This condition is called saturation. The pressure exerted by vapor molecules in saturation state is called saturation pressure. In your home, how does pump extract water from depth and deliver to top of your home? Both centrifugal and reciprocating pumps can be used to pump water in house. Centrifugal pumps, which are generally used, use centrifugal force. Operate by transferring angular momentum from rotating impeller to the fluid which is inside the casing. which is inside the casing. If the height is more and pressure difference is more, to avoid problems of cavitation and priming, we prefer reciprocating pump. The problem of priming can be solved by using non-return valve at the discharge of centrifugal pump. Priming is process of removing air from the pump and suction line, only in present in centrifugal pumps. Types of positive displacement pumps: reciprocating pump, gear pump, plunger pump, diaphragm pump. What is oblique shock? For a compressible fluid, when an object moves faster than speed of sound, that is Mach number greater than 1, there is an abrupt decrease in flow area. The flow process becomes irreversible and entropy increases. Shock waves are generated. Shock waves are very small regions in gas where gas properties change by large amount. Across a shock wave, static pressure, temperature, and gas density increase instantaneously. If shock wave is perpendicular to flow direction, it is called normal shock. If shock wave is inclined with respect to incident upstream flow direction, then it is oblique shock. Then it is oblique shock. What is compressible flow and incompressible flow? Incompressible flow refers to fluid flow in which fluid's density is constant. Compressible flow refers to fluid flow in which the fluid's density varies. Fluid density varies. Generally, liquids are considered incompressible and gases are considered compressible. But gases also, when Mach number less than 0.3, we can consider them as incompressible. Froude number, Mach number, and its significance. Froude number is equal to Fr is equal to root of inertia force by gravitational force is equal to V by root GL. Froude number is significant where weight, gravitational force of fluid is important force. Froude number is important when analyzing flow in spillway, weirs, channel flows, reverse, and in ship design. Mach number is equal to root of inertia force by elastic force is equal to V by root k by rho is equal to V by C. C is equal to speed of sound. A Mach number used to differentiate the type of flow vehicle like aircraft, including rocket, moving by their speed. Substitute of coal gas. NTPC used biomass pellets to co-fire with uh, coal-fired power plant to coal-fired power plant. But a substitute for coal can be natural gas, which is mostly CH4. Can substitute coal. It produces about 60% fewer carbon emissions than coal. Shale gas is natural gas that is trapped within shale formations. Shale are fine grained sedimentary rocks. Fuel used in gas turbine. Fuels used natural gas, methane, ethane, propane, octane, which is gasoline, isooctane, gasoline, nothing but petrol, and dodecane, which is kerosene. Generally, gasoline and kerosene are blend of two are commonly used. Air fuel ratio air fuel ratio in gas turbines and in cars. Air fuel ratio in IC engines or cars generally stoichiometric is 14.7, but it will vary between 12 to 16. But air fuel ratio in gas turbine varies from 60 is to 1 to 120 is to 1 normally. When used along with a heat exchanger, then 100 is to 1 to 200 is to 1. In gas turbine, temperature of air is very high and has great velocity, which forces us to use linear mixture so that the combustion temperature does not rise very rapidly as it may damage turbine blades. Therefore, keeping in mind the thermal stresses on turbine blades, we use linear mixtures. Balancing chemical reaction for burning natural gas in air. The natural gas is nothing but CH4. So CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O plus energy. every action there is equal and opposite reaction. The reason why turbine spins is because of reaction from impinging of working fluid, which is action. Draft tube. Draft tube is a tube of diverging area attached to exit of reaction turbine. It performs following. It allows installation of turbine above tail race without loss in effective head. It also minimizes KE loss at exit of turbine, reducing pressure at exit of turbine okay. These two are functions by reducing are done by reducing pressure at exit of turbine below P atmosphere. Below P atmosphere, pressure difference across turbine increases, which gives higher energy input to the turbine. In this way, draft tube improves effective head-on turbine. Uh, Head ranges for Pelton, Francis, and Kaplan turbine. Type Kaplan is reaction turbine with head of 10 to 60 meters. Specific speed range is 300 to 1200. Francis is reaction turbine with head range of 30 to 400 meters. Specific speed range 60 to 400. Pelton is impulse turbine with head range above 300 meters and specific speed range is 10 to 60. Specific speed is ns is equal to n root p by h power 5 by 4. Emissions from petrol engine CO2, CO, NOx, SO2, HC, O2, N2, H2O. Particulate matter or soot, that is partly burned fuel in diesel engine, very low in SI engine, so neglected. Particulate matter. Emissions from gas turbine NOx, CO, particulate matter, volatile organic compound, uh, primary pollutants, SO2 depending on sulfur content, CO2, O2, N2, H2O, HC. Almost from petrol and gas turbine, it is almost same. Emissions from coal-based thermal power plant, gaseous emissions, CO2, CO, SOx, NOx. Particulate emissions, fine particles like dust and smoke. Trace elements, mercury, cadmium, lead. Mercury, cadmium, lead. What is fluid coupling? We already discussed in question 32. Where is fluid coupling to be used and where conventional coupling to be used? Coupling is a device used to connect two shafts together at ends for purpose of transmitting power. Fluid coupling is used in marine and industrial machine drives where variable speed operation and controllable startup without shock loading of power transmission system is essential. Difference between pump and turbine. Turbine is work producing device. It absorbs energy, it absorbs energy from fluid stream and converts it to work. Pump is work consuming device. A pump absorbs useful energy, that is work, and adds energy to the fluid. Crit- Does pump necessarily increase temperature of fuel? No, pump will not necessarily increase temperature. Even if it does, as it is pump, it will be very small. Critical point of water. In thermodynamics, critical point or critical state is end point of phase equilibrium curve. For water, T critical is 373.946 degrees centigrade, which is 647.096 Kelvin. P critical is equal to 22.064 10 to 10 power 6 Pascal is equal to 217.75 atmosphere. T critical is around 373 degrees centigrade. P critical is around 218 atmosphere. Triple point of water, the state at which solid, liquid, and gaseous phase of a given substance are all at equilibrium with one another. That is, they coexist. T triple point is equal to 0.01 degrees centigrade is equal to 273.16 Kelvin. P triple point is equal to 611.2 Pascal. 611.2 Pascal. Gibbs phase rule, P plus F is equal to C plus 2. Here P is number of phases, C number of components, F degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is number of intensive independent properties that must be specified to fix the state of a system for each phase. Here 2 is used because for any state to define we need two parameters like pressure and temperature when they are independent. In dome, pressure and quality fraction are required. Normally temperature. When we write 1 when there is during phase change of metals because there only one parameter is enough. What is pure substance? Pure substance are substances that are made up of only one kind of particles and has fixed or constant structure. Any material that is not in a mixture is called pure substance. Pure substance cannot be broken down or separated into new products. Example: all elements like gold, copper, oxygen, chlorine. Uh, of pure substance compounds such as water, salt, baking soda. Examples of mixture: air, oxygen and nitrogen, solution, water and oil. How is water circulated in boiler? In water tube boiler, the way water is recirculated inside a boiler before becoming steam can be described as either natural circulation or forced circulation. What is natural circulation? Natural circulation boiler, the circulation is achieved by difference in density when the water in boiler is heated. Here, circulation of water is by convection currents which are set up during heating of water. The fundamental principle is based on principle of thermosiphon. Forced circulation boiler or controlled circulation boiler, a pump is used to circulate water inside the boiler. What are densities of water and steam at 150 bar? At 150 bar, that is 15 megapascal, T saturation is 342.155 degrees centigrade. P raw water, density of water is 603.53 kg per meter cube. Raw steam is 96.73 kg per meter cube. No need to remember the exact values. Difference between standard temperature pressure and normal temperature pressure. Standard temperature pressure STP, T is equal to 0 degrees centigrade, 273.15 Kelvin or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. P is equal to 100 kilopascal or 1 bar set by IUPAC. NTP, normal temperature and pressure. T is equal to 20 degrees centigrade, which is 293.15 kilopascal or Kelvin or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. P is equal to 101.325 kilopascal or 1 atmosphere. Normal, which is normal, 1 atmosphere 20 degrees centigrade. Standard means 0 degrees centigrade 100 kilopascal. From where does coal comes to plant? Coal is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock. Coal is mostly carbon with variable amount of other elements HSON. Coal is formed when a dead plant matter decays into peat and is converted into coal by heat and pressure of deep burial over millions of years. Plant gets coal from coal mines. NTPC has coal mining in Pakri, Barwadi, Kerandari, Badam, Talaipalli, Banai. Jharia coalfield in Jharkhand, largest coalfield in India. How coal is transported from rails to boiler. Coal is unloaded from wagons to a moving underground conveyor belt. It is taken to crusher house and crushed to a size of 20 mm. What is pressure in boiler? No. 68. What is primary air and secondary air? Primary air supplied to the furnace with fuel that controls the rate of combustion as well as amount of fuel that can be burned. Secondary air which is introduced into a furnace, that is additional air above or around the flame to promote combustion. What is pressure in boiler drum? Boiler drum furnace temperature 950 to 1300 degrees centigrade. Pressure subcritical, when it is subcritical boiler, pressure below 220 bar. Supercritical boiler pressure about 221 bar. What are laws of thermodynamics? Zero if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. This law helps to define concept of temperature. First law, also known as law of conservation of energy, states that energy cannot be created nor be destroyed in an isolated system. Delta U is equal to del Q minus del W for closed system. Integral cyclic dq is equal to integral cyclic dw. Second law states that entropy of any isolated system always increases. Circular integral dq by t less than or equal to 0. Equal to 0 is when it is reversible cycle, less than 0 when it is irreversible cycle. For process dq by t less than or equal to ds, equal to when irreversible, less than when irreversible. For irreversible, dq by t plus ds gen is equal to ds. Second law, Clausius statement: heat can never be flown from colder body to hotter body without any other change like work. Kelvin Planck statement: it is impossible to deliver work by sole effect of device to absorb energy in the form of heat from a single reservoir. Third law, it states that entropy of perfect crystal at temperature of 0 Kelvin, absolute 0, is equal to 0. Why is zeroth law called so? Because zeroth law is stated after first three laws, but it is basic than first three laws. So we have to put it before first law. Hmm. What is physical significance of entropy? We already and relevance of entropy in practicals. Entropy is degree of disorderness in the system. What is vapor compression cycle? We already saw what is vapor compression cycle. What is 1 ton of refrigeration? Ton of refrigeration is unit of refrigeration capacity. 1 ton of refrigeration indicates the amount of heat that needs to be extracted from 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade to convert it to 1 ton of ice at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours. So that is 1 day. 1 TR is equal to ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.5 kilowatt is equal to 210 kilojoule per minute is equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. Tell different types of couplings employed. Couplings are mechanical devices used to transmit power or torque from one shaft to another. Sleeve coupling, split muff coupling, flange coupling, bushpin type flexible coupling, gear coupling, fluid coupling, universal or Hooke's joint. What parameters can improve efficiency of Rankine cycle? Decreasing condenser pressure, superheating the steam to high temperature, increasing boiler pressure. What is function of economizer? Economizer in steam power plants is to capture waste heat from boiler, stack gases, flue gas, and transfer it to the boiler feed water. This raises temperature of boiler feed water, lowering the needed energy input. What are new technologies in IC engines? Direct injection, precisely spraying air and fuel directly into cylinder. Variable valve timing helps to reduce emissions and lower fuel consumption. Turbocharging, as we will discuss next. Hydrogen IC engine, similar to petrol engine, but hydrogen is used as fuel. Zero emissions from exhaust, difficult to store. LPG gas compatibility. All petrol vehicles can be converted to run on LPG. LPG is environmental friendly and cheaper than petrol. What is turbocharger? Turbine-driven forced induction device that increases an IC engine's efficiency and power output by forcing extra air into combustion chamber. Compressor can force more air and proportionately more fuel into combustion chamber than at atmospheric pressure. Name sensors and actuators in IC engine. Sensors, thermocouple, resistance, temperature detectors, Hall effect sensors. Actuators, throttle valve, solenoid controlled fuel injector. How is oxygen measured in IC engine? Lambda O2 sensor. It is electronic device that measures the proportion of oxygen in gas being analyzed. It controls air-fuel ratio in IC engine, which is rich, lean, or stoichiometric. What is catalytic converter? A catalytic converter is an exhaust emissions control device that reduces toxic gases and pollutants into less toxic pollutants by catalyzing an oxidation reaction. O2 plus Hc gives rise to CO2 plus H2O. O2 plus CO gives rise to CO plus gives rise to CO2. O2 plus NOx N2 plus O2. Catalyst in form of platinum and palladium is coated onto a ceramic honeycomb. What is significance of vibration study in power plant? To increase equipment protection like turbine, motors, etc. To improve safety for personnel, to improve maintenance procedures, to extend equipment life, to avoid catastrophic failure, to enhance operations. What are causes of vibration? Unbalanced, uneven distribution of mass in a rotating body contributes to unbalance, misalignment, bent shaft, loose foundations, bearings devoid of lubrication tends to wear out fast and fail quickly. How to measure vibration? Vibration measuring instruments, accelerometer, vibrometer. How to reduce vibration? Isolation system, mass damper system, cancel resonance by by oscillating out of phase with natural frequency. Draw TTT diagram, time temperature transformation diagram. On x-axis time, on y-axis temperature, and draw two lines down martensite, coarse pellet, fine pellet, bayonet, upper bayonet, lower bayonet. Based on diagram we can see. What are various heat treatment process? Annealing, normalizing, quenching, tempering, case hardening. What are various case hardening types? Carburizing, cyaniding, nitriding. Crystal structure of pellite and martensite. Pellite lamellar alternate plate combination of ferrite and cementite FAC. Martensite body centered tetragonal formed in steels when cooling rate from austenite is sufficiently fast. It is very hard constituent due to carbon which is trapped in solid solution. Difference between SI engine and CI engine. SI engine, CI engine definition. SI engine, it is an engine in which spark is used to burn fuel. CI engine, it is an engine in which heat of compressed air is used to burn the fuel. Fuel, petrol, diesel. Operating cycle, Otto cycle, diesel cycle. Compression ratio, low compression ratio, high compression ratio. Method of ignition, spark plug, heat of compressed air. Intake, air plus fuel in SI engine, CI engine only air. What is scavenging? Scavenging is process of pushing exhausted gas charge out of cylinder and drawing in fresh lot of air or fuel air mixture for next cycle. Scavenging is important for 2-stroke and 4-stroke. There are types of scavenging: cross flow scavenging, loop scavenging, uniflow scavenging. Power plant cycle is Rankine cycle. TS-PV-HS diagram we already draw before. Question 1 and 2. Water boiler mountings. Water level indicator, pressure gauges, safety valves, steam stop valve, blow off cock to empty boiler when required, Feed check valve, non-return valve regulates supply of water, fusible plug to extinguish fire in furnace when unsafe. APH air preheater, it is used to recover heat from exhaust gases. It is installed between economizer and chimney. What is pulverized coal? Large lumps of coal is converted in size of 75 microns in coal mill. This is called pulverization. Coal is pulverized so that complete combustion of coal can occur. What are types of coal? Types of coal: lignite, bituminous, semi-bituminous, anthracite. This, how to increase power plant efficiency? We already saw in 77th question. Viscosity index is measure of change in viscosity with fluctuations in temperature. The lower the viscosity index, the more viscosity is affected by changes in temperature. Vi was originally measured on scale of 0 to 100. What is Bernoulli principle and its equation? Bernoulli principle assumptions: fluid must be inviscid, flow must be steady and incompressible. Energy per unit volume before is equal to energy per unit volume after. P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho G H1 is equal to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho G H2. What is thermocouple? A thermoelectric device for measuring temperature consisting of two wires of different metals connected at 2 points, a voltage being developed between two junctions in proportion to temperature difference. What is venturimeter? Venturimeter is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of a fluid flowing through pipe. Explain working of venturimeter. Working of venturimeter is based on Bernoulli principle. Q is equal to CD A1 A2 by root of A1 square minus A2 square into root 2GH. Machine. What is machine? A machine or mechanical device is mechanical structure that uses power to apply forces and control movement to perform an intended action. What is cavitation? We already saw in question 30. What are types of pumps? Pumps, rotordynamic and positive displacement. In rotordynamic, centrifugal and axial flow. Axial is vortex, centrifugal single stage, multi-stage. In positive displacement, reciprocating rotary, reciprocating blow case pump.